Even with the big gains, how do you plan to keep the base energized after the back-to-back defeats, Mr. President, PNP President?
Well, after a campaign ends, there's a process of reflection, there's a process of analysis, there's a process of reconnection with our base and our supporters. And there's also, I think, there are some reforms internally that we need to pursue as well to strengthen our overall organization. So the way in which we plan to handle the matter would be through a period of careful analysis of what took place and a recognition of where there are weaknesses that need to be strengthened and the deliberate pursuit of changes that would changes that will strengthen changes that will strengthen those weaknesses.